following message is for the following county: Coastal Brunswick, North Carolina. Coastal flood warning in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon. High surf advisory remains in effect until noon Monday. What? For the coastal flood warning, 2 to 3 feet of inundation above ground level in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways. For the high surf advisory, large breaking waves of 6 to 9 feet in the surf zone. Where? Coastal Brunswick County. When? For the coastal flood warning, until 4 p.m. this afternoon. For the high surf advisory, until noon Monday. Impacts: low-lying roads and locations along the intercoastal waterway and adjacent tidal creeks may observe minor coastal flooding. Check with local officials for any road closures or impacts. Dangerous swimming and surfing conditions and localized beach erosion. Additional details: affected areas listed are based on average tide conditions. Additional locations may experience flooding during periods of heavy rainfall, high winds, or other factors. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth. Inexperienced swimmers should remain out of the water due to dangerous surf conditions. The following message is for the following counties in South Carolina: Georgetown, Horry, and Marion. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Georgetown County in northeastern South Carolina, western Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, southeastern Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. At 2:05 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Surfside Beach, Garden City, Merle's Inlet, Horry, PD Crossroads, Dongola, Britton's Neck, Gallivant's Ferry, Bucksport, Yehanna, Burgess, Green Sea, Aner, and Waccamaw Community Hospital. Dangerous flooding from heavy rainfall can be expected, especially near poor drainage areas and other flood-prone locations. It is harder to recognize flood dangers at night, as it will be difficult to determine the depth of the water. Roads may be damaged or washed away. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. If flooding is observed, then turn around. Don't drown. The following